Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and today we're going to be working on a Wavey American flag. Now to do this, we need a couple of cutters. We're going to start with a 1/2 inch end mill and finish up with an 1/8 inch tapered ball end mill. Now these are in the tool holders because I'm using an automatic tool change machine. This is going to be tool 1, and this is going to be tool 2. The next thing we need, of course, is our blank, and the blank we're going to be using today is going to be 18 by 34 1/4 long, and that's going to be the scaled out size for an American flag. To hold our board in place, we're going to be using Legacy's Low Pro clamps. We're going to be using the stop here, and of course the adjustable clamp. That's going to tighten it up nice and snug. Let's go ahead and get that put together. First thing we do here, we're just going to tighten down our 2 stops. With our 2 stops in place, we're going to pull our board down against them and let's set up our other clamps. With our 2 stops in place, we're going to go ahead and snug up our adjustable clamps. First tightening the vertical screw, which is going to set it in place, and then snugging up the angled screw, which is going to pull it down and in to make sure that our board is tight. Let's repeat that process with the second clamp. Now we're going to set the 0. I'm using a laser here, so you can see that little red dot right there. We're going to move that over this corner here. Now once you get close, we're going to go ahead into step jog mode. It's just going to give us a little bit more control. So now every time I hit the button, it's just going to move a small distance. You'll notice now how that laser is kind of split the edge from both the top here and the bottom right there. That's a perfect 0 offset. Now we're ready to go to work. Well, there you have it. Wavey American flag, ready to go. Great project. I hope you guys download the files. They're going to be in the description below. If you have any questions, give us a phone call. It's 801-491-0010. Enjoy the project. Have a happy 4th of July. We'll talk to you guys again soon.